Welcome back to the Home Bartender. My name is Anne. Today we will do a riff on a bourbon smash using my sister's sweet and delicious peach jam made from local Oregon Rogue Valley peaches. Ingredients for the Rogue peach are coming up next. You will need 2 bar spoons of peach jam, 2 lemon wedges, 6 to 8 mint leaves, and more for garnish. 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm using Woodford today, and we're going to garnish with a mint sprig and a peach slice if you have it. Let's just get right into it. Let's start by placing the mint in the bottom. This is my mint from my garden, so it's a little anemic. I'm going to use a little bit more than 6 to 8 pieces for today. Then I'm going to put the lemon wedges in there with the fruit side down and the rind side up the best you can. Let's muddle that a couple times, just very lightly. Then 2 bar spoons of my sister's amazing peach jam. It's actually really delicious, and she's very good at making it. You could use apricot or whatever kind of flavor that you want, or store-bought, that'd be fine. And then 2 ounces of bourbon. Now, a couple days ago, I infused this bourbon with a very, very ripe peach. And it just really brings out that peach flavor. It's really good. So let's get some ice in here. I'll put that in here and a couple of these in here. And then let's shake this. All right. So I have my rocks glass. I already put a couple little peaches in there for garnish. You could do like a traditional bourbon smash and dump the ice and everything over that. But since we're using the jam, it doesn't make as much as a traditional bourbon smash would make. So I'm using an open gate and just gonna pour this over the top. I don't mind those chunks of peach actually. And let's see, let's get a little mint garnish in there. Again, mint from my garden, looking a little anemic at the moment. Wake that mint up a little bit, and then place it maybe right over here next to the peaches. That's a Rogue peach. Peaches straight from the source are always much better than trucked in peaches. We happen to have a lot of peaches here in Southern Oregon. My sister makes this peach jam and it's super amazing. It really captures the lovely tree ripened flavor of peaches. So let's try the Rogue peach. Look at that, it's beautiful. Oh, that is so smooth. Like, it's really sweet and it's oaky and kind of warm. I'm using Woodford here because I feel that it's a bit more hearty but still caramely and goes really well with the peach flavor. I don't always like pieces of mint in the drink, and I don't really like chunky things in the drink, but it's kind of nice when you get a little peach chunk in there and it's like a peach bomb on your tongue, and it's really nice. The lemon could be overwhelming if you muddled it too much, but I think those 2 pieces really balances it well. Don't over muddle that. Peach flavor definitely comes through with that infused bourbon. You could muddle some peaches in there if you wanted to. I know that Dale DeGroff does a peach smash. In his recipe, he muddles it. I don't really get the mint that much, but it's great for a garnish. It really does open up the palate when you smell it. So it's really nice. As the seasons are changing, it's great. Thanks for watching. Thank you to my sister for supporting me and making this amazing jam. Leave comments in the comment section. If you've done a variation of a bourbon smash, then let me know. See you next Friday for another amazing cocktail. Be well. Up again.